All right. Assalamu alaikum. Awatif.
Walaikum salam. Wait, sorry.
No problem. Your camera is off again. How are you doing?
I am good.
And
You,
I'm also doing fine. I'm great and I'm wonderful. Awatif. It's been a very long time. Do you know that? Very long
sorry.
time. Very, very long. No, I don't mean today. I mean yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, no class, right? Okay,
Yes.
now teacher is sorry. I was busy.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, I was
okay.
busy. So how is mama doing? Is she fine?
Yes.
What of Dada? Is Dada fine?
Yes.
And sister Shahad, how is she doing? Fine.
Fine.
And what of your brother Khalid? How is Khalid? Fine.
Fine.
Are you sure she is fine? Are you sure he's fine?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. You understand all that I'm saying? That's amazing. Okay, so about if we are going to continue with our watch. Okay, I brought the watch to
Okay.
class today also. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. So, what is this? What do we say this is called? What is that?
Clock.
Very good. This is a clock. Okay. And what do we call this? The shorthand. This one. What is it called? The
Uh,
shorthand.
and
Uh huh. You have any idea?
what?
Our hand. Wow, that's amazing. Clap for yourself.
Our hand.
You remember? That's good. That's good. It's been a very long time, but you still remember. Okay, okay. That is our hand. MashaAllah. Okay. And what of this? The the long hand. What is it called? The long hand.
What?
The long hand. This one. This one. You said this is our hand. That is
Well,
correct. This
our
one.
hand
Uh-huh.
and
Hmm.
her.
No.
No, no, no.
Uh-huh.
Our wow.
Minute. Minute hand.
Minute.
Hand.
Minute hand.
Very good. Okay, minute hand. So what if let's repeat. We have our hand, our hand. Uh-huh. Repeat after
Our
me.
hand.
And then minute hand.
Minute hand.
Very good. Our hand is short. You see? Short is our hand. Long is minute hand. Good?
Good.
Okay. Look here, Awatif. Can you see? Can you see it? It's moving. Can you see?
Yes.
Very good. This is called the second hand. This.
Second hand.
Very good. Again.
Second hand.
Very good. So Awatif, we have three hands. We have our hand, minute hand, and second hand.
Our
Okay?
hand. Minute hand.
Uh-huh.
Second hand.
Very good. Okay. One last question, and then we are done. Are you ready?
I'm very ready.
Okay, let's get into it. What is this?
Our hand.
Very good. What is this?
Minute hand.
And what is this? The small one.
Six. Six. Six.
Second.
Second.
Second hand.
Second hand.
Very good. MashaAllah. I'm so happy. Second hand. Great. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I forgot. Look here. Okay. So we have three hands and
Okay.
no problem. We have three hands and this is the clock. Am I right? Okay. This is the
Okay.
clock.
Okay.
This is the face of the clock. You remember face? Al-wajh,
Face.
right?
Face.
Yes, so this is the face of the clock. Can you see it?
Yes.
Very good, mashallah. And what is this? What number is this, Awatif? What number is this? What number is that? 1, 2. 1 and 2. What is that?
2.
Okay, no problem. Look here. What is this? About if this number.
1,
This,
2,
this,
3,
this.
4,
Uh-huh.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Hmm.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Very good. Now, these numbers are called our numbers. Okay?
Our numbers.
Very good. You see?
Yes.
Okay. So about to don't forget we have our hand, we have minute hand, we have second hand, and we
Okay.
have our numbers. You can see the numbers,
Our
right?
numbers.
Very good. Again.
Our numbers.
Okay. Another thing again. Look here. In fact, let me pick my pencil. I don't have a pencil. My goodness. Okay, just 1 minute. Let me improvise with this. Okay, Awafif, are you with me? Now we have, you can see we have 1. Can you see 1?
Yes.
Okay, so with 1 here, you can see we have small lines. Can you see the lines? Very small
Yes.
lines. It's called minute line.
Minute line.
Very good. Again.
Minute line.
Okay, now let me go down here. Also, if you have Zukam, right? You have cold.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. That's fine. Let me make it more simple with this. Okay, can you see it? Can you see the minute line?
Yes.
Very good. So this is a minute line, this minute line, this minute line, this minute line, and this is our number. Our number.
Number.
Very good. So these are what? Our numbers. Very good. And this are minute lines. This are minute lines.
Minute line.
Very good. Very good. Alhamdulillah. Minute lines. Okay. So now let's review. Are you ready? We are going to revise. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready.
What is this? What is this?
Why?
Our hand, right? Very good. Okay.
Our hand.
And what of this? What is this?
Minute hand.
Minute hand. And this?
Sit. Hand.
Again, second hand.
This second hand.
Again, second hand.
Second hand.
Very good. Okay. And what is this? Awafif, what is this? This whole
Clock.
Okay. And what are these numbers? What are these numbers?
And 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes,
5,
yes.
6, 7,
8, 9,
7,
10, 11,
8,
12.
9, 10, 11, 12.
What are they? Second numbers or our numbers? Second numbers or our numbers? What do you think?
Our numbers.
Very good. Our numbers. Okay. One last question. And what of this? Awafif, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The small lines, what are they called? Look at this.
Face.
Yes. What are they called? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you call them, Awafif?
Second.
No, it's called minute line. It's called the minute line, okay?
It's fine.
Yes, it's called minute line. Very good. Now, I want to show you something. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, very good. Let's move on to this. Okay. This one here. Are you ready?
We're ready.
Okay. So what is this? I want you to count from here. What is this? What number is this?
1,
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7,
8,
uh-huh.
9, 10,
Okay,
11,
I'm coming,
12,
I'm coming about if this is 10, right?
10,
Okay, and
11,
this 11,
12,
uh-huh,
13, 14,
uh-huh,
15,
uh-huh. I'm
16,
coming 15. Let me write 15
6,
here, okay? 15,
16.
16,
Wait, teacher.
no, 16, 17, 8,
16,
uh-huh,
17, 18, 20,
no, you write
21, 22.
19, 18, 19, and 20, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is 20.
20, 21,
Uh-huh.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
Stop. 25.
25,
Very good. Okay, let's go.
26,
Uh-huh,
27,
uh-huh.
28, 29, 30,
30. Okay, stop.
31,
30. Mm-hmm.
31,
31.
32, 34, 35,
32, 33, 34.
34, 35,
Okay, stop there. 35. Very good. Okay.
36,
6.
37,
Mhm.
38, 39, 40,
40. That's right. Okay, let's put 40 here. Uh-huh.
41,
Uh-huh.
42,
Uh-huh.
43,
Uh-huh.
44, 45,
45.
40,
That's right. Okay.
46,
Uh-huh.
40,
7.
50, what?
No, 40, 47. 47.
40, 47,
Uh-huh.
48,
8.
40, no,
49. Uh-huh.
49,
Uh-huh.
50,
50. Okay, that's right. Just
50,
let's put this down. 50. Okay. 51.
51, 52, 50, 54, 53,
Mm-hmm.
54, 55,
Okay, 55. Let's put this down. 55. Okay. Alhamdulillah. 55. Okay.
56,
Uh-huh.
57, 58, 59,
Uh-huh.
clock, clock,
O'clock.
o'clock,
Very
now
good.
60.
No, 60 exactly. So let me type o'clock here. Oh, mashallah, you remember. If you really remember. So let me put the o'clock. Coming. Okay, let me expand this. Okay, o'clock. Very good. Okay, let me just put it here. This is o'clock. Okay, so if I want to show you something. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Very good. Now with the screen, you can see we have this is 5. Can you see 5? Can you see 5
yes,
here? Very good. So we have 5. Just 1 minute. Let me expand this. Okay, we have 5. We have 10. Can you see 10? Can you see 10? Awatif? Okay, you're back.
yes, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
No problem, no problem. Don't worry at all. So this is 10. Can you see 10?
Yes,
What is this? 15, right?
right,
And this?
20,
No, this, the next one.
20,
20. Very
20,
good. And this?
25,
Uh-huh.
30,
Uh-huh.
35,
Uh-huh.
40,
Uh-huh.
45,
Uh-huh.
50,
Uh-huh.
55,
Uh-huh. And what?
o'clock,
And o'clock. Very good. Very, very good. So now I want to look at something. I'm going to show you a magic trick. Okay. Just 1 minute and we are going to see something amazing here. Okay. Now look here. What is this, Awatif?
50,
No, that is five.
05,
Yes. And what is this?
10,
Very good. So now wait, Awatif. I want to show you something. Now, you see this
5,
one is five. You see five? This is five.
yes,
You see that? When you go to two, this is 10. Can you see 10?
yes,
When you come here, this is 15.
5,
Can you see it?
3,
And
yes,
this
24,
24. Look at it very well. This
no,
is
no,
just
20
20.
and
20. Very good. And
4,
this
5 is
uh-huh
25,
very good. And this
30,
very good.
45,
Uh-huh
40,
uh-huh
45,
uh-huh
50,
uh-huh
50,
uh-huh
55 o'clock.
o'clock. Very good. MashaAllah. Awatif, this you need to memorize that, okay?
Okay.
Inshallah. In our next class, you need to memorize it. Like one is five, this is 10. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 o'clock. It has to be in your head, okay? Awatif.
Okay.
All right, but today we are
Wait,
going to
teacher.
again.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. So today we are going to look at this. Just 1 minute, I'm going to show you something. Hello, can you see my watch? Can you see
Wait,
my
teacher.
watch? Can you see the clock? Can you see?
Okay.
Okay. Can you see the clock? Can you see the clock?
Yes.
Very good. Now, just a minute. What is this? What is this, Awatif? What is this? Yes, yes.
Ha,
Hand.
ha,
Very good. Our
ha,
hand. Our
ha.
hand. Very good. And this? This?
Minute hand.
Very good. Okay, so let's take only the two, hour hand and minute hand. Okay, let me put this here. So about if this is short, so this is our hand, right? This is our
Yes.
hand, okay? And this is what? Minute hand, right?
Right.
Okay, inshallah. So we have our hand, we have our hand, we have minute hand, we have minute hand. Okay, and this, what hand is this? Our hand.
Hand.
And this minute hand, right?
Minute hand.
Okay, next one, what is this?
It,
Our
minute hand.
hand. Our
Our hand.
hand. And this?
Minute hand.
Okay, what is this?
Our hand.
And this?
Minute hand.
Very good. And this?
Our hand.
And this?
Minute hand.
Very good. Okay, what is this?
Our hand.
And this?
Minute hand.
What is this?
Our hand.
And this?
Minute hand.
Okay, this?
Our hand.
And
Minute
this?
hand.
Okay, now what is this? What is this?
Minute hand.
Minute hand. And this?
Our hand.
Okay, mashallah, very good. Okay, now just 1 minute, I'm going to clean everything. I want to show you something very amazing. So let's clean this, clean that, clean this, clean that. Clean this, clean that, clean this, clean that, clean this and clean that, clean this and clean that. يرحمك الله. So clean this, clean that. Let me put this here. Okay. So this is R, and then minute. واضح واضح. Is it clear?
had,
Okay.
yes,
Okay. Atif, look at something. Look at something. You see this? Atif, you see this?
yes,
This is hour. Okay. This is hour.
hour,
Very good. Now you see this? This? This is minute. Okay.
minute,
Very good. So we have
okay,
hour. This is hour. Just 1 minute. And this is minute.
okay,
Atif, can you see? We have hour
yes,
and we have minute. Okay.
hour,
Very good. Now, one last question. We said this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. This is what?
what? 50,
55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
o'clock,
O'clock. Very good. What if you look at o'clock? Look at o'clock. O'clock. O'clock is 00. Do you see o'clock?
yes,
Very good. So this 00 is called o'clock. Good.
good,
Very good. So look here, Awafif. This is the hour hand. So we have 1, which is 1, and then we have o'clock, which is 00. Can you see?
yes,
Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. What do you have here, Awafif?
up,
What do you have here? What number is this?
a hat,
Our hand. On which number? 1, 2, or 3?
3,
Very good. So we write 3. Okay. Good.
okay,
Awafif, what is this?
minute hand,
Minute hand. On what number? On what number?
12,
On 12. That is very good. But look at something. Awafif, for minute, it is o'clock. This is o'clock. Okay.
okay,
Very good. So we have 3, which is 3, and o'clock. Good.
3 o'clock,
Very good. The same thing, we have 2, which is 2 hour hand, and the minute hand is o'clock. Good.
o'clock,
Very
good,
good. Now let's move here. About of what is this? What is this?
clock,
Yes, this is o'clock. And what is this?
o'clock at 4,
Yes, 4 and o'clock. So put it together. We have 4 o'clock.
o'clock,
You see?
4,
4 o'clock. You get it?
4 o'clock,
Okay, okay. Let's move on to the next one. What is this, Awatif?
o-
Uh-huh.
o'clock,
O'clock. And what? Is it 4 or 5?
o'clock,
Uh-huh. O'clock.
5,
Uh-huh.
5 o'clock,
Very good. 5 o'clock. So Awatif, this is the magic. This is the magic. Hour, first, o'clock, second. Okay? So 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Okay?
okay,
Very good.
Okay.
So we say this first and then we say this second. Are you ready?
very ready,
Okay, let's move here. What is this, Awatif?
o, up,
Uh-huh.
At
What is it?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock exactly. Okay, what is this?
'At 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, mashallah. Next one, what is this?
8 o'clock.
Very good. So you see, always our hand first, okay? Our hand is first,
Okay.
minute hand is second. Good?
Good.
Okay, what is this, Awatif?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Very good. This
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay, now let me show you something here. Let me see what this can be. Let me see if you are really following what we are doing. Um, okay, Awatif, what is this? What is this?
2 o'clock.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. MashaAllah. 2 o'clock. That is it. That is it. Is it difficult? Is it easy or difficult, Awatif? Easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy, right? Okay, okay. So now let's start with this. I'm coming. Just a minute. Okay, so what is this?
1 o'clock.
This,
2 o'clock. three
this.
o'clock.
Uh-huh.
4 o'clock. five
Uh-huh.
o'clock. 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
10 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Okay,
twelve
okay.
o'clock.
Very
thirteen
good.
o'clock.
No, 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 there's no 13. It's up to 12 o'clock. Okay. Also, if you look at 12 o'clock, you see 12 o'clock? This is the hour hand on 12, and this is the minute hand.
Minute hand.
Yes, minute hand also on 12. So we have 12 o'clock. Good?
Good.
MashaAllah. So Awatif, today we learned hour hand, minute hand, second hand, o'clock. Good?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Do you have a question? Yeah, Awatif. Do you
Now,
have a question? Are you sure? No questions?
yes.
Wallah, no questions. Okay. So prepare. Tomorrow, okay? Look at something.
Okay.
Tomorrow, teacher is going to teach you this, okay? You see it?
Okay.
It's going to teach you this, going to teach you that, going to teach you that, and that, and that, and that, okay?
Okay.
All right, Awatif, thank you very much for coming to class,
Welcome.
and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Tomorrow.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
All right. What Shafakillah.
And
Okay.